कोई भी स्टार्टअप होता है वो स्पेशली शुरू होता है प्रॉब्लम से। 50 फोल्डर में मेरी फ़ोटोज़ है, पर जब मुझे चाहिए तब वो हैंडी नहीं है, एक जगह पे नहीं है, हार्ड ड्राइव में स्टोर्ड है। तो मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूँगी ये इश्यू को? बस तो ऐसे ही सॉल्व करने के लिए ही मेमोरी लेंस पावर्ड बाय एआई हमने बनाया है। रिप्रेजेंटिंग मेमोरी लेंस। मेमोरी यानी कि यादें कहीं भी हो सकती है, सफ़र में हो सकती है, इवेंट में हो सकती है, शादी में हो सकती है। तो मैं आज कोई भी स्टार्टअप होता है वो स्पेशली शुरू होता है प्रॉब्लम से, और हमारी प्रॉब्लम भी डे टू डे लाइफ में ही थी, जो कि हम आईटी कंपनी होकर हमने सॉल्व किया। कैसे? तो प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है? आप कोई भी शादी में जाते हो, 10,000 फ़ोटोज़ है, आपको वो फ़ोटो मिल नहीं पाएगी जब तक आप फोटोग्राफर से या अपने फैमिली वालों से वो फ़ोटो मांगते नहीं हो। आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में आप ट्रिप में जाते हो, 5 बंदे फ़ोटो क्लिक कर रहे हैं, पर आपको टाइम पे मिलती नहीं है। बीइंग अ एग्जिबिटर इन एनी इवेंट, if Alka ma'am doesn't give me the photos on time, then I am not able to post on social media on time. So this is also one problem. So ऐसी ही बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में फेस करते हैं। जैसे कि 50 फोल्डर में मेरी फ़ोटोज़ है, पर जब मुझे चाहिए तब वो हैंडी नहीं है, एक जगह पे नहीं है, हार्ड ड्राइव में स्टोर्ड है। तो मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूँगी ये इश्यू को? बस तो ऐसे ही सॉल्व करने के लिए ही मेमोरी लेंस पावर्ड बाय एआई हमने बनाया है, जो कि आगे मेरा पार्टनर डिस्क्राइब करेगा।
Our solution is very simple. It's an AI-powered solution that can run on web, that can run on mobile, that can run on any platform. Basically, it's as simple as just like you create groups in WhatsApp. You create a group in our application. आप मन चाहे इतने ग्रुप्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो. You can invite the people you want. You can send the invite link to the group that you want. After once sending the invite link, they can upload, and you can upload the photos in that group, and people can see their photos bifurcated with the help of AI. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे 10,000 फ़ोटोज़ मैंने अपलोड किए, तो उसमें से 100 फ़ोटोज़ में शायद मैं हूँ, तो मुझे मेरे 100 फ़ोटोज़ ऑटोमेटिकली बाइफर्केटेड मिल जाएंगे विद इन नो टाइम. सो दिस इज़ द पावर ऑफ आवर एप्लीकेशन. रिसेंटली नाउ क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि भाई हाउ इट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम लेट्स से गूगल फ़ोटोज़ और एप्पल फ़ोटोज़. सो आवर स्ट्रेंथ इज़ आवर UI. Google Photos में you don't get that user experience of sharing the photos to your friends, nor high level settings or privacy settings. But we have our own privacy settings, we have our own security, everything is encrypted, so people can enjoy everything, all the events very freely. Within last 10 months, if I can say a rough figure, we have like using these applications at many exhibitions, many concerts and many events. BNI ले लो, TIE ले लो, and we have like shared more than 50,000 photos, and 2,50,000 faces has been scanned and identified as separate individuals with the accuracy of 99.9%. So this is about memory lens. Thank you.
And you just said that sharing is not possible in a Google. So Google Photos are better, I think. Till now, I think everybody is using it, and there are many features which we can share photos actually, right? Google Workspace is bigger than anybody else, to be honest, right? Any software, right? You talk about. So to be honest, that it looks like that you are making something. You're not reinventing, but you're doing something similar which already been in the ecosystem.
Yes, it's not reinventing the wheel of Google Photos, but the user experience that Google Photos will not separate out your own photos from that particular space. In our application and with the future solutions that will be added, you can separate out your photos. Let's say अगर मुझे मेरे और दिशा के ऐसे कोई photos से कि that I want to have, I can get it personalized. So I can get my own photos within instinct. No need to filter out from the 1,000 photos.
See, everyone has their own, basically on the Facebook and social media and Google Pictures, we have their own drive, Google Drive. Why they have to opt yours? What is the uniqueness which you have made in this application? Because why they do wanted to come to you? Because you have to justify that. Otherwise, this is a very tough market. This is just a normal application which who wanted to upload the pictures or something like that. So what the uniqueness which you have? Can you please tell me in one line?
Yeah, our target audience is not the only general customers. Our target audience is the event photographers and event management companies. In India, there are 30,000 photographers, 25,000 event management companies, which face day-to-day challenges of sharing the photos.
सो ड्राइव में से फ़ोटो आप ढूंढे वो हार्ड है, बट थ्रू फेस रिकॉग्निशन यू विल फाइंड योर फोटोज इन वन शॉट. ड्राइव में से आपको अपनी फ़ोटो ढूंढने में 10,000 फ़ोटो है तो इट्स टाइम कंबर्जिंग. सो इट्स हार्ड टू फाइंड आउट योर ओनली योर फोटो बिकॉज यू आर लुकिंग फॉर योर फोटो ओनली. सो इन ऐप यू कैन फाइंड योर ऑल द फोटोज इन वन शॉट in within in seconds.
And how do you monetize this? How will you monetize
Yeah,
this?
so
It's
we
a
have like-
subscription, it's a SaaS program?
Yes, it's a SaaS product. We have two plans. One is free plan for the normal users just like us, individual
Friends and
users.
family.
And one is for the event management and one is for the photographers. So even if we take like 10% market capture share of this product, there are like 5,000, and if we just take like basic amount of 1,000 rupees per month on a subscription basis, which any event management company or even photographer team can afford. That could be valued in crores per year.
And who would be your competitor in this space?
So we have like couple of competitors. AlgoShare is there, QuickPick is there. The edge over the competitors is that they are using third-party AI face recognition algorithms. But we are an IT team. We have developed our own face recognition algorithm.
Have you patented it?
Yes.
What type of a patent is it?
So patent in the sense where we have deployed, it's a GDPR patent. It's someplace in Europe. For India, we are yet to remain.
So
like
these are
patented.
granted patents. The GDPR, is it a granted patent or an applied patent?
No, it's an applied.
It's an applied patent.
Applied.
So it's not
and
granted.
we are using, yes, we are
And in
using
India,
this in
you
one
have
of
not,
the product.
in India, you've not
No,
even applied
we
for
are
a
on the
patent?
verge of applying for the patent.
So you would apply for a patent abroad and not in India. Why?
See, as I mentioned, like we are an IT team, and we are, the base of this thing is face recognition algorithm that we are using in other products as well, not just this product. And this product came as an idea to help the people to scale this accessibility of the whole at a world level to share the photos.